Stop it, record ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So now we are going to see the measurement of gear tooth depth and width using gear tooth vernier calipers. So we have already learnt in theory about the gear tooth vernier caliper. So you can see the gear tooth vernier caliper here. Okay, it has two scales. So one in the horizontal direction, one in the vertical direction. The horizontal direction scale will help us to find the width of the gear teeth, whereas the vertical scale will help us to find the depth of the teeth. So now we have two spur gear specimens here. Okay, one of each. So this has 35 teeth. Total number of teeth is 35. So this is 41. So for these both gears, first we have to theoretically find the major diameter and the minor diameter, or the addendum and dedendum. So for that we will be using the vernier caliper, the normal vernier calipers. So make sure that you are measuring exactly opposite teeth. So this will be giving me the root or the dedendum value. So similarly, if you move it on the teeth, that is the top side of the opposite teeth lines, you will be getting the addendum. So when you subtract addendum and dedendum divided by 2, you will get the pitch circle diameter of the gear. So using the pitch circle diameter, you can calculate the module. So module is given by PCD, that is pitch circle diameter by number of teeth. Okay, so now this is the, so for the first gear teeth, which is having 41 teeth, so the major diameter, that is the addendum, measured is almost 119.6. So the minor diameter or the dedendum will be around 100. So to find the pitch circle diameter, we are adding the addendum plus dedendum divided by 2. So we will be getting it around 109. So to find the module, it is nothing but the pitch circle diameter divided by number of teeth. So we are having 2.68 as the module for gear 1. So to find the theoretical thickness and width, we have the formulas. So where W, that is the thickness, is given by N M sin 90 by N. So where N are generally represented as Z, so it can also be called as MZ sin 90 by N. So where Z is number of teeth, M is module, we have already found out. Then again we have it as the number of teeth, sin 90 by number of teeth. So this is the theoretical value, that is 4.20 mm, theoretical value of the gear tooth thickness. So to find the depth, again the theoretical formula goes like this, saying that module plus Nm by 2 1 minus cos 90 by N, where N is the number of teeth. So substituting all the values, we will be getting it as 2.72 mm. So now after finding these theoretical values, we will be using the gear tooth vernier caliper to find the practical values. So this is how, so once you locate, so basically you have two scales, so you will basically have to set the gear tooth vernier caliper such that it makes the contact with the gear teeth at the pitch circle. So first initially you have to set the depth. So you have found out that this is the pitch circle diameter. So you have to make sure you have a marking here, okay, exactly at the pitch circle diameter, and make sure that exactly it is touching at the pitch circle. Then you will be measuring the depth. So this is how you carry out the measurement using gear tooth vernier caliper. So both theoretical and practical values should agree within specified limits. So this is the experimental values we are getting. So the thickness is around 4.9, depth is around 2.6. So the error, if you calculate, so with respect to the depth you will be getting around 0.12, and with respect to width you will be getting it as 0.7. So for both gear teeth you can follow the same procedure. Thank you.